Amazon Aurora Global Database is an Aurora database spanning multiple regions for global low latency and high availability. It has a primary cluster in one region and has up to 5 secondary DB clusters in different regions. RAID operation occur on the primary cluster. Data is replicated to the secondary cluster typically under a second. Global database is only available in specific regions and specific database versions. Notice our primary cluster has a writer and a reader or readers, and in our secondary cluster, we just have readers, okay? So there's only one writer and it's in your primary cluster. If you need to create a global cluster, to make a global database, you create the global cluster first. Then you create your primary cluster and use the global cluster identifier to place it within the global cluster. And then you create your secondary cluster and use the global cluster identifier to place it in with the secondary or within the global cluster. Now, I just want to point out that I'm not showing creating the DB instances. So when you create a cluster, you create an instance after that. So just understand, not showing that here, but there you go. That's pretty much how it works.